I'm Karen Beard. I'm the chair of the advisory board for the College of Pharmacy, the University of Findlay. This campaign is so important to our students. We need your help. We want to have the best facilities for our students because they are the best students that are graduating and becoming future pharmacists. Improving our facilities is a really important part of that. We have the opportunity to match a substantial gift, and you giving your gift will help make that gift a reality for our students. Thank you for your participation in this important fundraising opportunity.